Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to use a clone formatting or text formatting tool on your LibreOffice site. It's so useful tool. You just need to know that. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to use a text formatting? So it's a better topic and better tool. You just need to know. For an example, I just going to resize this to 40. The font height has been changed to the 40. I just going to change this font color to a red color. Then I just going to change this font to a different font like this. Okay, then I just going to add underline option and just go to make it as italic and also a boldness. I just added a lot of the more, and also I just going to change this to a character highlighter to be around gray. No, it's not suitable, so we can just go with the light colors like yellow. Okay, so I just need to have to apply the same option for those. So instead of doing every options to be repeated, just make a single click to make this copy and paste this all formatting options. First of all, you just need to know, you just need to click on the text. You just going to copy the all the formatting option. Then you just need to click on the format, text format. It's like a paint tool, paint icon. Clone formatting, you can just add on the clone formatting. You can find here on the format option, or you can just use this paint icon symbol. Click this. Now you just need to drag it to the text where you just need to apply. That's it. You can see with a simple drag, it's changed. Every options has been applied for this text too. This is how you just use this text formatting option. Is very important for option on your document. You can just write it on any document, any Word document. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.